Hey math students, here is our math review for today. This is about translation of algebraic expressions. And I have here 6 problems for your review. Here is the first one. Twice the product of m and n decreased by the square of the sum of m and n. Which of the following is an expression for the statement above? And you have these 4 choices. Try this problem first and I'll show you the answer after 10 seconds. Now let's solve this problem together. Let's begin with twice the product of m and n. So let's get first, the product of m and n is mn. When there is no operation in between and there are 2 variables, the operation is implied to be multiplication. And we want twice of this, so we multiply this by 2. And we are going to decrease this by the square. So here is the square of the sum of m and n, which is m plus n. So this is now the algebraic expression, which is letter B. Let's go to the next problem. The product of a number x and 4 decreased by 12. Try this problem and I'll show you the answer in 10 seconds. Now let's solve this problem together. We have the product of a number x and 4. So when you have a variable and a number and the operation is multiplication, you write the number first, then followed by the variable. You are not going to use the x for the multiplication operation anymore because that will create confusion with the variable x. Just write it as 4x. That is the convention. Decreased by 12, so minus 12, and that is letter D. Let's go to problem number 3. The quotient of 19 and a number D increased by 7. Try this problem and I'll show you the answer in 10 seconds. Now let's solve this problem together. The quotient of 19 and a number D is written as 19 over D. Increased is addition by 7. So the answer is letter A. Next problem. Mario received Y text messages each minute for 10 minutes yesterday and received T text messages each minute for 20 minutes today. What is the total number of text messages he received for 2 days in terms of Y and T? Try this problem first and I'll show you the answer in 10 seconds. Now let's solve this problem together. Mario received Y text messages each minute for 10 minutes. So multiply it by 10. That is the total number of text messages Mario received yesterday. And he received T text messages each minute for 20 minutes today. What is the total number of text messages? Total means addition. So the answer is letter D. Next problem. Which of the following expressions represents the product of 3k and the sum of m and 1/3 of n? Try this problem and I'll show you the answer in 10 seconds. Now let's solve this problem together. We have here the product of 3k, so that's the product of 3k and the sum of m and 1/3 of n. So the answer is letter C. Next problem. The difference between 2 numbers is 8. If the smaller number is n to the 3rd power, what is the greater number? Try this problem and I'll show you the answer in 10 seconds. Okay, let's solve this problem. We have here the difference between 2 numbers is 8. So we have the first number minus the second number equals 8. Since 8 is positive, this is the larger number, this is the smaller number. If the smaller number is n to the 3rd power, so we replace the second number by n cubed, what is the greater number? This is the greater number. So we need to solve for this. So solving now this equation, we add n cubed to both sides of the equation to get 8 plus n cubed at the right, and this minus n cubed at the left is eliminated. So the answer is 8 plus n cubed, which is letter B. So that's all for this video. This is a series of review questions for SAT, LET, Praxis, and other math entrance exams reviews.